Masan mamali pa yung retoke pagka natural smile mo, hindi pala bagay yung niretoke sa'yo.
Nasa babae naman kasi talaga kung ano yung choice nila, kung saan sila maganda.
Be real, transform.
Be real, transform.
Be real, transform.
I'm challenging all of you to be real and transform.
Kasi natural, yun ay nakagisnan.
Pag natural yung beauty ng makikita sa eyes mo yung beauty mo. Lagyan mo lang ng konting eyeliner, natural pa rin yung makikita mo, mas maganda yun. Kasi pag natural, yun yung created by God na may beauty na hindi natin ma-explain.
And pagka-retoke kasi, maraming nagbabago and maraming ng mga family. As for me, natural lang kasi doon ako nagsimula. Wala naman akong kailangang baguhin. Siguro, ang magbabago lang sa akin is ang aking ugali.
Masan mamali pa yung retoke pagka natural smile mo, hindi pala bagay yung niretoke sa'yo. Pag natural, nagre-resemble na yung sa mata, sa nose, tsaka sa smiles mo, kaya mas maganda yung dating. Natural beauty.
If you decide to do retoke, it's okay then, in my opinion, because, for example, you want to wake up feeling beautiful and you're not happy with the way you look.
If they want to feel beautiful, it's okay to enhance yourself, basta as long as it makes you happy.
There's no wrong answer with wanting to wake up feeling beautiful. So if there's something that is bothering you or something that you're not confident with, then you should do whatever it takes you want. But for me personally, my look, I would just go with natural.
Kasi kung hindi mo kayang dalahin yung natural beauty mo, magpa-retoke ka talaga.
Para mas maging confident yung
Yes,
babae.
oo,
or lalaki
depende,
man.
yes, depende.
Nasa babae naman kasi talaga kung ano yung choice nila, kung saan sila maganda. And hindi dapat sila napipigilan para hindi sila nai-insecure. Tsaka, nasa modern na tayo.
There's nothing wrong naman with ma-enhance ka sa sarili mo.
Depende rin kung paano mo magagawang natural yung beauty na inside, lalabas yun eh. Lalabas yun eh. Nasa mata mo, parang pag nadala ng natural twinkle of your eyes and smiles, at saka yung nose na rin yan, tatangos na rin yan kung
Yung confidence yung
yes, oo.
Okay lang yung natural if satisfied sila sa sarili nila. Pero kung magpa-retoke yung mas mamamahalin nila yung sarili nila, I'm go with it.
Be real.
Be real.
Be real.
Be real, transform.